What do voice assistants, facial recognition, and robots all have in common? They're all part of an exciting AI revolution that's sweeping the world. Hey there, and welcome to the Wealth Pulse. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how AI is changing the world we live in. From voice assistants like Alexa, to facial recognition, to robots. AI technology is changing the way we live. It's an exciting time to be alive, and I'm excited to share with you all amazing things AI can do. So let's get started. What's AI? Artificial intelligence is a broad term that encompasses all the activities and strategies that involve intelligent machines. It is a field of computer science, which deals with the design and creation of intelligent machines. AI can be seen as an extension of humans' intellectual capabilities in solving complex problems. The ultimate goal is to make computers behave like humans do. Human intelligence is usually divided into the following areas: perception, cognition, learning, language, and emotion. Artificial intelligence is the latest development in human intelligence. AI systems are built for specific purposes and make decisions about what to do next based on inputs from sensors and previous actions that have been taken. AI is already being used in a number of different industries and fields. Here are a few. Operations. AI is used to identify patterns, make predictions, and optimize operations. Predictive maintenance is a good example of how AI can be used to make operations more efficient. Predictive maintenance uses AI to identify potential issues with equipment before they become problems. It can do this by using sensors to collect data about the equipment and the surrounding environment, then using that data to make predictions about what might happen next. Manufacturing. AI can help manufacturers with automation, optimizing processes, and data collection for business intelligence. By using AI for manufacturing, businesses can increase operational efficiency, improve quality control, and reduce waste. AI for manufacturing also includes robot assistants that help workers with various tasks to ease the load and increase productivity. Smart homes. AI can monitor your health, environment, and home appliances via sensors. It can control your home appliances, set the lights based on your daily routine, keep track of your health stats, and keep your family safe from accidents happening in your home. There are many artificial intelligence-based products available in the market that you can use to make your home a smart one. Some of the widely used AI-based products that make your home smart are Amazon Echo Show, Google Home, Samsung's Bixby, Microsoft's Cortana, Ring Alarm, smart TVs, smart thermostats, smart light bulbs, smart security systems, smart cars, smart software, and smart fridges. Transportation. AI is helping to make autonomous cars more advanced and safer. Autonomous cars are the future of the transportation industry. They are expected to be more efficient, save lives, and create new jobs in the autonomous car industry. One of the ways AI is being used in transportation is in autonomous cars. Autonomous cars use AI to learn the rules of the road, detect other vehicles, avoid hazards, and make decisions. AI is also being used to make driverless cars safer. Driverless cars rely on sensors to detect hazards in real time. AI is also used to train drivers to be safer by detecting dangerous driving patterns and giving recommendations for safer driving. Fintech. AI is making financial technology more advanced. It has the potential to learn from data to make better decisions. It can also analyze large chunks of data to find meaningful patterns, which it can then share with other stakeholders. AI is being widely used in the financial sector to make financial technology more efficient and accurate. It is being used to predict the stock market, analyze medical bills, manage insurance claims, and much more. The use of AI in finance and banking industry has helped to improve customer experience with more personalized services, For example, AI can help with information gathering by analyzing the data that is collected from customers' social media posts or emails. This data helps to understand the customer better and provide them with better services. Robotics. AI is being used to create robots that can autonomously operate in hazardous environments and assist human workers in dangerous tasks. This technology has the potential to reduce workplace accidents and increase productivity by enabling robots to execute tasks that are too dangerous or difficult for humans. For example, in the field of manufacturing, AI is being used to program robots to move materials along an assembly line with precision. This allows factories to reduce the amount of personnel needed to operate the assembly line. Healthcare. There are a number of ways in which AI is being used in the healthcare industry. One of the most popular uses, however, is to help doctors make better diagnosis and treatment plans. This has been accomplished by using machine learning algorithms that can process vast amounts of data and provide insight to a patient's condition with much greater accuracy than any human can do alone. AI can also be used to identify potential health risk among patients who have not yet shown symptoms and can then provide personalized recommendations for how they should change their lifestyles or take medication to avoid developing serious health problems down the line. The top predictions for AI tech. There are many predictions out there about what the future of technology will look like, but we're here to give you the most popular predictions. AIs are already pretty good at imitating human behavior, so it's not too crazy to think that we'll see them mimic more and more human-like skills in the years ahead. AI also has the potential to be very emotionally intelligent. AI systems can already understand and mimic human emotions better than many people do themselves. So it's not inconceivable that in the near future, we'll see some AI systems that are capable of expressing emotions. That would come with a whole new set of challenges, however. Prediction. Technology will become so advanced that it will enable us to put dead people's brains into robots, making them even smarter than they were in life. One of the biggest challenges to developing AI is that computers aren't very good at learning from mistakes. If they don't know how to fix something they screwed up, they'll keep doing it, which could get them into trouble eventually. That's where this next prediction comes in. Eventually, AI will have the ability to learn from mistakes and make better decisions for the future. This will mean that if someone dies and we want to use their brain for AI, there won't be any big problems with that. We will be successfully searching for extraterrestrial life. This prediction is perhaps the least likely to happen in the near future. It's not inconceivable to think that we'll find life on other planets, but it's also not particularly likely. AI will be able to emulate human intelligence and emotions. This is probably one of the more controversial predictions, but it still could potentially happen by 2023. Many people are saying that as AI continues to improve and gain new skills, it will become more human-like until eventually they can mimic emotions and even thoughts. There's also a possibility that AI will be able to understand what emotions we're feeling, which would make them very efficient in the workplace. This type of technology could be helpful for those who struggle with having social interaction or just want to distance themselves from their work some days. Here's another prediction. People will feel a sense of attachment with their AI assistants. AI has the potential to be helpful and life-changing, but there are still some fears that surround it. We might not be far off from people feeling a connection with their AI assistants, like they do with their family or friends. This prediction is based on how much more humans can become emotionally attached to objects in everyday life. It's important that people take this step. Otherwise, we might not see AI at all. Robots will be able to take on many physical tasks that humans have traditionally done, allowing the human population to focus more energy on intellectual tasks. People will feel less guilty about all of their work being done by robots, and, in some cases, they may even opt not to hire someone for a job if they're already working with a robot. How do you feel about AI? Leave your comments below and subscribe to our channel for more.